Hello, my name is Sheikh Shafi Al Assam and I'm currently pursuing my bachelor's degree in computer science and engineering at Daffodil International University. I'm passionate about technology, innovation, and how digital solutions can make everyday life much simpler and more efficient. I believe in continuous learning and adapting to the ever changing world of technology. Throughout my studies, I have developed a strong foundation in programming, networking, and system design. I have worked with the languages such as Python, C++, and Java, and gained practical experience in areas like database management, data structures, and algorithm development. I also enjoyed working on a hands-on project from building small applications to simulating real-world networks, which has helped me strengthen both my problem-solving skills and teamwork abilities. My key skills include software development, computer networking, and data analysis. I'm also deeply interested in fields such as artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, and cloud computing, areas that I plan to explore further through research and professional experience. Along with technical knowledge, I focus on developing strong soft skills such as effective communications, network, leadership, and time management. I believe these skills are just as important as technical expertise, especially when working in collaborative environments. I'm confident in my ability to adapt to new challenges, think critically, and maintain a positive and professional attitude under pressure. Beyond academics, I have a deep interest in music, reading, and writing. Reading helps me stay informed and think critically, while writing allows me to express ideas clearly and creatively. These hobbies have strengthened my communications and analytical thinking, both essential qualities in technological driven environments. As I continue my journey in computer science, I am eager to contribute to projects that combine innovation, efficient, and real world impact. I'm always open to learning, growing, and collaborating with the professionals who share a passion for technology and progress. Thank you for watching. I look forward to connecting with you.